In a show of support, Norwegian energy giant Equinor has pledged to provide nearly $1 billion in fresh capital to Denmark's Orsted, a leading offshore wind developer, as the industry faces headwinds in the United States. This move comes amid a challenging period for offshore wind projects, exacerbated by the Trump administration's skepticism towards clean energy initiatives. Superscript 1. Challenges facing offshore wind projects. Offshore wind projects in the U.S. have encountered significant obstacles, including Project Halts. The Trump administration ordered a halt to construction on Equinor's $5 billion Empire Wind project, citing a flawed and hastily conducted permitting process. Policy uncertainty. The administration's stance on offshore wind has created uncertainty, potentially jeopardizing over $40 billion in investments and impacting more than 90% of planned U.S. offshore wind capacity. Industry concerns. Industry experts warn that these policy reversals could undermine grid reliability and threaten the country's clean energy ambitions. Impact on the industry. The offshore wind industry is facing significant challenges, including Superscript 2, Superscript 3. Delays and exits. Major players like Shell and TotalEnergies have exited the market or delayed projects. Investment risks. The uncertainty surrounding offshore wind policies has made investors cautious, potentially impacting the development of new projects. Job creation. The Empire Wind project, for instance, was expected to generate 1,000 jobs and contribute to New York's clean energy goals. Equinor's support for Orsted. Equinor's investment in Orsted demonstrates its commitment to the offshore wind sector and confidence in the company's potential. Orsted has been seeking to raise $9.4 billion to cope with the challenges facing its U.S. offshore wind project.